I'd like a grande, no wait, large, medium coffee with, Okay, let me try that again. Can I get a large latte with almond milk, please?
We've all been there, right? Ordering coffee, a small task that seems so difficult if we don't know the phrases natives use here in the US.
Tell me about it. Viewers, that's our topic today.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Along English, an easy speaking podcast where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Hey, Mia, you look excited. What's the matter?
You are right, Alex. Actually, I'm really excited because I just had the most delicious coffee this morning.
Oh, nice. You know, that's perfect because today we're going to learn English in one of the most practical places ever, a coffee shop. As a new English learner, I always used to struggle with the words and phrases natives use, and I hoped that one day I will master how to order coffee like a local in English.
That's right. Before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this episode a like. It really helps us create more English learning content for you.
Yes, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our new English podcast episodes.
So, Alex, have you ever felt nervous ordering coffee in English?
Oh my goodness, yes, especially when I see the menu. There are so many options and complicated names. Latte, cappuccino, macchiato, americano. I'm like, what's the...
Exactly. That's one of the biggest challenges for English learners. The coffee shop menu can be really confusing. Exactly.
And another thing, I always worry about ordering clearly. What if the barista doesn't understand me? What if I say the wrong thing?
That's such a common concern for beginners learning English. You want to practice your English speaking, but you're not sure how to say what you want.
Right, and then there's the small talk. Sometimes the barista asks me questions like, how's your day going? And I freeze. I don't know what to say.
Yes, those everyday English conversations can feel challenging. But here's the good news, everyone listening. By the end of this English conversation lesson, you'll feel confident ordering at any coffee shop.
And we're going to practice together. This is perfect for ESL students and anyone who wants to improve their English fluency in real life.
Absolutely. Coffee shops are great places to practice English because it's a relaxed, friendly environment, and you can practice the same phrases over and over. Okay, let's walk through some common coffee shop scenarios. Alex, imagine you want to order a simple coffee. What would you say?
I would say, can I get a coffee, please? Or maybe, I'll have a large coffee, please.
Perfect. Those are both great ways to order. And notice Alex used can I get and I'll have. These are very natural phrases for American English and British English speakers.
What if I want something specific, like a latte?
Easy. You can say, can I get a latte, please? Let's practice that together, everyone. Repeat after me.
Can I get a latte, please? Great. Now, what about sizes? In English, we usually say small, medium, or large.
You might hear tall, grande, or venti at some places. But don't worry, if you're not sure, just say the size you want. I'd like a large coffee, or can I get a small cappuccino?
Okay, here's where I always get confused. What about modifications? Like, what if I want almond milk instead of regular milk?
Great question. You can say, can I get it with almond milk? Or, can I have almond milk instead of regular milk, please?
Oh, that's easy.
And if you want less sugar, you can say, can I get it with less sugar? Or, no sugar, please.
What about paying? That part always makes me nervous.
Don't worry. When it's time to pay, you can simply ask, how much is it? Or, how much do I owe you? And if you want to pay with a card, you can say, can I pay with card?
Let me practice, how much is it? And can I pay with card? Okay.
You're doing great. Now let's talk about those questions the barista might ask you. They might say, what size would you like? And you respond with, large please, or medium please.
What else might they ask?
They might ask, For here or to go. This means, do you want to drink your coffee in the shop or take it with you? You can say for here if you're staying or to go if you're leaving.
Oh, so for here means staying, and to go means taking it with you. That's really useful English vocabulary.
Exactly. Another common question is, would you like room for cream? This means, do you want extra space in your cup so you can add cream or milk yourself?
Ah, I see. So I can say yes, please, or no.
Exactly. All right, everyone. Now let's practice a real conversation. This is where we bring everything together. Alex, let's do a role play. I'll be the barista and you be the customer. You're going to order something a bit more complex and make some small talk. Ready?
Ready. This is great English speaking practice.
Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a large iced caramel latte with almond milk and an extra shot of espresso, please.
Great choice. Would you like whipped cream on top?
Yes, please. That sounds delicious.
Perfect. Anything else for you today?
No, that's all. How much is it?
That'll be $5.50.
Card, please. By the way, it smells amazing in here. What coffee are you brewing?
Oh, thank you. We're brewing our Colombian blend today. It's really popular.
I'll have to try that next time.
Perfect, Alex. That was wonderful. Did you hear how natural that sounded, everyone?
Thanks. And I even added some small talk at the end. That felt good.
Exactly. Small talk makes your English conversation feel more natural and friendly. You don't have to say a lot, just a simple comment like, "It smells great in here," or "I love your coffee," works perfectly.
And the barista was so nice. That's what I love about practicing English at coffee shops. People are usually very friendly and patient.
Absolutely. Coffee shops are perfect for English learning because it's a low-pressure environment. You can practice the same conversation every day. Okay, everyone, let's do a quick review of what we learned today.
First, we learned how to order basic drinks. We can say, "Can I get a latte, please?" Or, "I'll have a large coffee, please."
We learned how to ask for modifications, like, "Can I get it with almond milk?" or "Can I have less sugar, please?"
We practiced answering common questions like, "For here or to go?" and "What size would you like?"
And we learned how to pay by asking, "How much is it?" and saying, "Can I pay with card?"
Plus, we practiced making small talk to sound more natural and friendly.
Remember, these phrases are useful for any coffee shop in English-speaking countries. Whether you're learning American English or British English, these expressions work everywhere.
The key to improving your English speaking is practice, practice, practice. So don't be afraid to visit coffee shops and use these phrases.
Every conversation is good practice. Mistakes are okay. They help us learn.
All right, everyone, now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite coffee order in English? Try to write it exactly how you would say it at a coffee shop.
For example, you could write, "I'd like a medium cappuccino with oat milk," or "Can I get a large black coffee, please?"
We're so excited to read your comments, and it's great English practice to write in English too.
Don't forget to subscribe to Speak Along English, an easy speaking podcast for more practical English lessons like this one. We post new videos 4 times a week.
And if you found this English podcast helpful for your English learning journey, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you all so much for joining us today. Keep practicing your English conversation skills.
Remember, learning English takes time, but every coffee shop visit is a chance to practice.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Keep practicing and keep speaking English.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.